Hi everyone, I am here to show you how literacy is going to work this week. Each day you'll go to this class, literacy. Not this class, go to this class, literacy. You'll find your assignments for each day right here, but you can also click in. There's a message for you explaining how this week is going to work as well as how to contact your teachers. If you go to Classwork, each day you'll notice a new assignment. Within that, you get to choose at least one activity. So I'm going to click View Assignment. I can do Duolingo. I can complete activities in student application. I can read and submit a summary. I can write a short story based on the prompts below. If I have to do at least one activity, I can choose to do more than one activity. And for each activity that I do, I get to earn 10 Wolf Plus. Okay? So you're going to click on Add or Create, and then you decide, are you going to work in a Google Doc? Are you going to create slides? The choice is up to you. Maybe I want to create a Google Doc. So one more time, Add or Create, Doc. Now that the doc is opening, I can use this document to write my story, to write my summary, whatever it is I'm choosing to do. Once I finish this, I can add another document if I want to. Let us know if you have any questions. Email us. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great week. Bye.